Hello, everyone. Welcome to Gardening and Grilling. It's mid-May in Pennsylvania, and I'm starting a new channel. It's going to be based on grilling, gardening tips, grilling tips, and maybe some fishing here and there. You know, pretty much outdoor stuff that us guys and girls like. So stay tuned. This is the gardening here. Like I said, mid-May. About May 5th is when our last frost is done. So after May 5th, we can plant stuff. So you can see how I got my garden set up. And we have some sprouts. Okay. Let's start here. This is a Texas plant. I think it's a bluebonnet. This is elephant ears. Started from bulbs. That's basil. Friendly little carpenter bee. This is blue poppies. These are my zinnias, which I love. They bloom all summer. These are a plant called blue buttons. And I don't have the scientific name, but you can easily look them up by their, their generic name. These are my Mexican sunflowers. They get really tall. So they'll grow way past this fence here, which I love. Give you a bright orange color. Green beans, starting. This is my pretty much garden here. It's not done yet. Usually we start everything from seeds, and then as they get at least, about a month, they get about a month old, we put them in the ground. As you can see, something is digging in my garden. I use a natural fertilizer this year. I use fish and blood meal, and something is digging in my garden. I wonder what it could be. Maybe I should set up some cameras and see who the culprit is. Probably a skunk, probably a raccoon. Look where I live. It could be anything. It could be anything. Got the woods behind my house. So, pretty much been tilling the garden, just getting it ready for everything. I have one cucumber there. It don't look like he's going to make it. So pretty much this dirt is just about ready. I did that. Rock. So we're just starting here. Another cucumber. These are Armenian cucumbers. Oregano. Gotta have a lot of oregano. I freeze it. I dry it. It smells so good. It's all so good in spaghetti. This is my bunching onions or scallions. Ooh, that's great. A flower. It produces a really cool, flower, like a pink hairy flower kind of thing. Which is awesome. More oregano. And we have one little tomato that basically volunteered itself this year. And it's growing, so as soon as they get a little bigger, I'm going to take it out and transplant it into a huge pot. And I'm sure it's cherry tomatoes because that's all I ever grow. So I didn't even have to buy any seeds this year, so good. Cherry tomato. All right. Yeah, some really awesome wildflowers back here that attract all kind of pollinators. Don't know the name of them exactly, but they're just pretty cool. They weren't here last year, so which is pretty cool. Pennsylvania, we have a lot of different types of wildflowers. And this is northeastern Pennsylvania, Schuylkill County. So, get an idea of those flowers there, which is awesome. Every year is something different on this hill. One year we had raspberries, and they came from nowhere. But they're gone now, which sucks because they're tearing up this hill here, and they're building houses behind it, which sucks. We used to have deer that come right down to the beginning. They'll come down here, they'll run all around here. But since they're destroying the environment up there, the deers are, you know, farther back. So, let me show you my pumpkins. Figure out, get them on here. Those are those carpenter bees. I don't know if I can get them good on a camera. Let's see. But it's pretty cool because we have so many of them here. And they're like sitting here fighting. I guess they're mating. Just so you know. Pennsylvania. I don't care. I show my tag. I'm not doing anything illegal. Let's go back. Christina. Here's my little poochie pooch. Come here, Christina. Come here, girl. Hey, girl. Ooh. She's a teacup chihuahua. Love her to death. Okay. This is a Mad Hatter pepper I picked up from Walmart, which looked pretty cool. About next week, I'm going to plant it in the ground. Here go my pumpkins. In Pennsylvania, we love pumpkins. You know, we eat them and we decorate with them. So we got 2 there. And they'll crawl all over the place. So those are my pumpkins. Okay. Oh, this baby is colossal. I don't know what I'm going to put in there yet, but I found it in the trash. Here goes some more babies that popped up over a couple days. These are sweet pea flowers. Smell so good. More basil. We have, what are these? Pak choy. Asian leafy green. Bell pepper. Started from seed. He's going. I got more green beans. I got sweet peas. And I got lemon basil in the middle here. They'll pop up in a couple more days. Here's the pond. We have koi in there. They're at the bottom. Oh, I need to clean that out. Just starting in the back is my morning glories. They'll climb all over the fence. I have different colors this year. I have red, purple, white. And all these were started from seed. Okay. So, like I said, this is my channel for gardening and grilling. So now let's look at the grilling. I always use Kingsford. Always. Best charcoal you can ever use. A little lighter fluid. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got steak. We got party wings, which I'm going to like jerk them kind of. We have beef, mild sausages. Oh, then we have chopped potatoes with onion, garlic, basil, and red pepper flakes. Oh my God. If you could just smell that. Oh, smell the garlic, smell the pepper. So good. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Pennsylvania Garden and Grilling. Omar Ballard. Stay tuned.